Hook, have you ever wondered what documents you need to open a Monzo account? It's a question that many people ask, especially those new to the world of digital banking. In this video, we'll dive deep into the specific documents required to get started with Monzo. So, if you're ready to simplify your financial life, let's get started. Introduction: Monzo has gained immense popularity due to its innovative features and user-friendly interface. But before you can enjoy the benefits of Monzo, you need to provide certain documents to verify your identity. These documents are essential to ensure the security and integrity of your account. Required documents. Proof of identity. The most crucial document is a valid proof of identity. This could be passport. A passport is generally the most accepted form of ID. Driving license. A valid driving license can also be used. National identity card. If you have a national ID card, you can use it. Other government-issued ID. Any other government-issued ID with a photo can be considered. Proof of address. To confirm your residential address, you'll need to provide proof of address. This can be utility bill. A recent utility bill, e.g., electricity, gas, water, can be used. Bank statement. A bank statement showing your address is also acceptable. Rental agreement. If you're renting, a rental agreement can be used. Additional documents. In certain cases, Monzo may request additional documents to verify your identity or address. These could include tax return. If you're self-employed or a freelancer, a tax return might be required. Income proof. Proof of income, such as payslips or salary certificates, might be requested. Tips for document submission. Clear and readable. Ensure that the documents you submit are clear and readable. Avoid blurry or unclear images. Valid and up-to-date. Make sure your documents are valid and up-to-date. Expired documents will not be accepted. Correct format. Submit your documents in the requested format, usually as scans or high-quality photos. Secure submission. When uploading your documents online, ensure you're using a secure connection to protect your personal information. Additional considerations. Joint accounts. If you're opening a joint account with someone else, both individuals will need to provide their respective documents. International accounts. If you're opening a Monzo account from outside the UK, the required documents may vary. It's best to check Monzo's website or contact their customer support for specific information. Conclusion: opening a Monzo account is a straightforward process, but it's essential to have the necessary documents ready. By providing the required proof of identity, address, and any additional documents, you can quickly and easily set up your Monzo account and start enjoying its benefits. Call to action. So, if you're ready to simplify your finances and experience the convenience of Monzo, gather your documents and start the application process today. Ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.